Kahapon sa Behind the Clash, muli natin nasaksihan ang intense clashes ng Soundwave Squad.
Humanda dahil ngayong gabi ay gabi ng Soundwave Salpukan.
Ito ang The Clash Teens!
Isa laban sa lahat!
Ngayong hapon, balikan natin ang mga kaganapan sa paghaharap ni na Jeric at Bien sa matirang matibay round. Lahat ng yan, ngayon na mismo dito sa Behind the Clash.
Kay Bien din. So, para siyang total performer ba? Yung
Right.
confidence niya on the stage is actually very impressive talaga.
Yes, yes.
Kasi kung sa ibang mga singers yun, talagang kakabahan na yun, baka hindi pa sila makagalaw. Mag-petrify.
Petrify!
Petrify sa stage. Hindi, pero actually, totoo talaga yun. Kasi yung kaba talaga hindi na mapipigilan. Pero somehow, in some way,
Yes.
talagang napipigilan talaga ni Jen yung kabang yun. And he's just performing like he wants to. Yun talagang he wants to impress others while also enjoying the song.
Bien, ikaw ang lalaban kay Jeric sa matira ang matibay. Jeric, samahan mo kami dito!
Jeric at Bien, this is your last chance. Isa lang sa inyo ang makakatawid sa next round, ang isa naman ay magpapaalam na tonight. May gusto ba kayong sabihin sa bawat isa?
Galingan na lang natin, may the best clasher win.
Yes, and ayun, Jeric, I've known you since the beginning. But I'm here to fight, and I'm gonna fight all.
Ayun nga yung pinaka-kinakatakot ko na makalaban kong sila. Yung mismong grupo ko. Things happen, and dito na tayo ngayon. We just have to move forward. I'll just try my best and be the best version of myself this coming second batch.
Ito ang matirang matibay, Bien versus Jeric. Let the Teen Clash begin!
Sige, start na natin. Oo. Oh, focus, ha? Okay, let's see. Wala muna ako sasabihin. Surprise!
Okay.
Music.
Ayun, talagang nakaka-overwhelm. Sobrang liit nung time, sa sobrang liit nung time, napakadaming nangyari. Talagang hindi ko na alam kung ano magiging mood ko o kaya kung ano magiging feel ko. Talagang, ayun nga, siguro mixed emotion talaga, may happy. Kasi syempre nakapasok ako sa Top of the Clash, which is yung top 12 nga. Pero kinakabahan kasi top 12, kaya kailangan talaga magpursige na and mag-practice pa na mag-practice.
Okay, modulation. Parang hindi ka na-prepare. Oo, nagulat ka. Bakit? Bakit? Ba't di mo na-expect yun? Di mo na-practice yun?
No-practice po.
Oo, bakit? Na-conscious ka sa akin? Modulation. Kulang ng energy. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ra-tam. Bounce more and then yung volume.
Okay.
Mas malakas tuloy yung chest mo sa taas. Yung falsetto mo napabayaan.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
One more time from the top na. I'm not going to change. Kasi na-apply mo na yung cluster mo dito sa second zone.
Walang flat sa ganun. So, ganun. Just keep reminding yourself of the poses. Oh, wala. Thank you po. Thank you so much po. May asawa na ako pero okay yan.
Clash Nation, sa round na ito, isang slot na lang para sa Soundwave Squad ang natitira. Sino ang inyong ililigtas?
At ang makakabalik sa Top of the Clash ay si... Bien.
Congratulations, Bien! Kunin mo na ang pwesto mo sa Top of the Clash.
Jeric, we just want to say that we are very, very, very proud of you.
Thank you so much po.
And maraming salamat kasi alam mo, every time na nakikita ka namin na nagpo-perform, you bring so much optimism and positivity sa aming lahat. And sana yan ang itago mo Kasi yan ang dalhin mo hanggang sa tumanda ka, sa journey mo, yan ang dalhin mo. Kasi it just shows na you have a good character.
Yes, thank you so much.
Alright. Thank you so much. Everybody, Jeric.
Actually, I am happy. Kasi I came this far. Hindi ko talaga maisip na makakapunta ako sa The Clash, plus naging top 12 pa ako. Actually, I feel blessed right now. A little bit sad kasi syempre, natapos na din journey ko dito sa The Clash Teens. Grabe! Devastated kaming yellow team. Nung sinabi na magkakakampi yung lalaban, talagang our jaw dropped. Like, what? Ang ginagawa kasi namin talaga dun is talagang pinupush namin yung isa't isa namin. Walang mawawalang Soundwave squad. Pero nung nalaman namin yung twist, so I guess the end was inevitable and nag-end sa akin. But I'm thankful naman. Kaya, ayun, go lang Bien, Chloe, and Lois. Galingan nyo.
Ang dami talagang nangyayari but I'm super grateful. Thankful po kay God and sa lahat po ng mga sumusuporta sa akin. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much po sa lahat.
Soundwave Squad. Kung napapanood nyo to, and I know you will, just give it your all. Galingan nyo, kailangan yung dating Soundwave Squad ang mananalo at magiging Grand Champion this Clash Team. Again, sa buong Soundwave Squad na, just do your best. Huwag nyo hahayaan na ma-judge ng ibang tao yung performance nyo, pati yung kakayanan yung kumanta. Mag-inspire tayo ng ibang tao, mga aspiring singers, even aspiring artists. Get out of their comfort zones. Kaya, Soundwave pa rin, tatak.
Hello, Clash Nation.
Grabe. I am very blessed to be still here. I am super blessed na I have this kind of voice, this kind of talent. Everything feels so... I don't know how to put it. Everything feels so... unreal.
Hindi ko ma-process yung mga bagay na nangyayari ngayon kasi there's been ang daming nangyayari sa akin na I don't know if akin lang, pero ang daming pinapa-experience sa akin in The Clash na I haven't experienced before.
Until now, hindi pa din nakakapag-process sa akin na I'm still here, still standing. I didn't expect the laban to be this intense.
Kasi The Clash gave me the challenges na I think na hindi ko makakayanan. Pero I still can. Hindi ko akalain na kakayanin ko pala yung mga bagay na yan.
You know, as a Clasher, I'll continue to fight. And I know that there are things that I can improve on. And based dun sa mga comments ng Clash panel, I will take those and apply it to my next performance. And I don't know if halata, pero I'm a bit hesitant when it comes to using my belting voice. But I want to show them na kaya ko din.
So, kailangan kong i-double ang practice ni, and then I need to take care of my voice, and then I have kailangan kong mag-aral, and then I have to really practice.
Yes, this is a competition. But the genuine and love that I feel from the other classmates sa mga ka-classmates ko.
This competition is no joke. It's really entertaining, pero it's really, really scary. But at the same time, I'm loving the pressure and I'm loving the challenge. So, The Clash, challenge accepted.
Huling grupo na magpapakita ng angas sa Clash Arena at ready na ang Blazing Gen Z para mas patindihin pa ang labanan. Abangan yan this Sunday, 7:15 PM. Samahan muli sina Jong Madaliday at Arabel de la Cruz sa The Clash Interactive. Streaming sa Kapuso Stream at sa The Clash Teens YouTube and Facebook page. Clash Nation, for the very first time sa Clash history, you can now show your support sa paborito nyong top 12 teen Clasher by voting for them and sa pag-stream ng kanilang single. Just scan the QR code to vote or visit the page of the Clash Teens for more details. This is your Clash Master Raver Cruz, and this is Behind the Clash.